Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. And we are back with another open playlist recreation inspiration. This is being hosted by Loli D's Creation, and Lady Red Crafting with Kate. And today's guest host is Craft Tech Ular with Ro. On this open playlist, we must recreate another creator's project that inspires us. And of course, we must give them credit for the original project. I'm going to be leaving links down below in the description box directly to these talented creators' channel along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them as soon as you watch my video and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And if you are here from one of the other platforms, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider staying by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell button so like that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. For my first inspiration, I was inspired by glue guns and roses. I'll be recreating these ornaments, adding my own twist. I'm going to be taking 9 pieces and adding glue to it, and of course putting them side to side. I'll be creating a set. I'm going to make sure that these are aligned correctly, and then I'm going to put them to the side and wait a couple of minutes until the glue dries. In the meantime, I'm going to be taking these ornaments and I'm going to be giving it one coat with black chalk paint. I purchased this Merry Christmas at Temu. When I took it out of the bag, I didn't realize that the CHR was missing. But I went on and I painted them without even realizing it. Then later on, I noticed it, and of course, I replaced it for ones that were not broken. And this is me here adding the broken Merry Christmas, not realizing that there was 3 letters missing. But I just noticed it after I added the little snowflake and the candy canes. So I just went back and painted the Merry Christmas off camera, and then I just went on remove both of these and replaced it by that. And this is at the point that I realized, I'm like, wait a minute, it says Merry Ismas. Lord have mercy. And then of course I took the package and I'm looking at it and I'm trying to still save it by adding the words that were, missing. But yeah, there was no way around that. I gave up after I painted, and then I'm trying to add the words. It was a hot mess, but it boiled down that I wind up just getting 2 different pieces, as you see right here, and I added them to the Jenga blocks. And here we are. This looks much better. What do you guys think? I didn't realize it until like almost, can you imagine if I had not realized it? Oh my god, that's crazy. But anyway, I'm going to be making a bow, just making that awareness bow, and then I just fold it, tie it in the middle, and then go ahead and fix the little 2 ends. That is it. Then of course with some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them right on the left side of the ornament. And I think this turned out absolutely gorgeous. Megan is such, oh my god, she is so talented. I am so inspired by everything that she does actually. So here we are adding some hot glue, and this will be it. Please let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this one. Of course, I added my own twist to it. I am going to go ahead and be cleaning all those glue hairs, and this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Moving on to our second inspiration. I have this beautiful ornament that I purchased at Michael's, and I was inspired once again by glue guns and roses. So I'm going to be using this vinyl. I'm going to be cutting it, and then I will be placing it right on the ornament. And I decide to use the back side of the ornament facing to the vinyl. Once both of these pieces are adhered together, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it around and try to smooth whatever bubbles might be. And this was pretty nice and easy. This went on really nice. I think I would create something like this again. This was very satisfying. I'm removing the excess vinyl, and of course, for a clean and nice tidy look, I'm using my sand block just to go ahead and remove the excess off. And this is so satisfying to do this. I really like this little step here. It sounds crazy, but yep, it is satisfying to me. How many of you have created something like that and are using you sending off the excess? I like it. I don't know about you guys, but I do. And then with this ribbon is so beautiful. This came out of, I believe, the Dollar Tree. So if I put it like this, the truck is going to be backwards, or upside down. So let's go ahead and do it this way. I am just doing one of those awareness boat, and then with some jute cord, I just tie it in the middle, and that would be it. I'm also going to be adding several more embellishments to this beautiful piece. When I saw it and she had the S, I'm like, this is just perfect because I have an S. I did not have to go and purchase anything. Everything that I am using I have from last year, and then the S just worked perfect because that is my last name. It starts with an S. Let's continue to embellish this beautiful ornament. I have this greenery, and I'm going to be placing it right in the middle with some hot glue, and the bow is going to go right between the greenery. I don't know for how long I really was tucking this bow and making sure that everything looks perfect. And of course, now I have this red bell. I'm going to be placing it right here. And look at how pretty this is turning out. I am liking this. And here's the S. This S, I got it at Michael's several years ago. It was in a grab bag. So I'm going to be taking out all the labels out. And then with, again, black chalk paint, I'm going to give one entire coat to the entire S. Now that the S is completely dry, I came in with that khaki color, and I'm distressing it a little. And again, guys, I was inspired by Megan Glue Guns and Roses. Check out her channel if you may. Once I add plenty of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle. I also have a little bit of a jute cord that I'm going to be adding in the back with some hot glue. And then this will be it. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Which is your favorite so far? If you like it, don't forget that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to do so. And here's the final reveal. For our third project and last project, I was inspired by Monarch Mom DIY. Make sure to check out her channel. She is a great creator. I'm taking this khaki color with this little mini cutting board. I'm going to give it one coat to the entire piece. And of course, I'm also adding my own little twist to this one. This one is by far my favorite. This is so absolutely gorgeous. Once the cutting board is completely dry, I purchased these beautiful Christmas papers at Temu. Several of them came in this little package here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and flip through them and see which one I like best. Once I select it, there's 2 pictures on each sheet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in half with my scissors, and then I am going to start embellishing this beautiful cutting board. To adhere this, I'm going to be using a stick of glue. I didn't want to use no hot glue because then it would be bubbly, and I didn't want to use no Mod Podge as well. But I've used this before and this adheres pretty well. I like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that the entire cutting board is completely covered, and whatever section I saw that the glue was peeking through, I just came with a little cloth and I wiped it down. And then of course, once this beautiful decorative Christmas paper is put in place, I came in with my sand block and I sand all the edges. Now that that is accomplished, I have this beautiful lace ribbon from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and make a pretty bow, and then of course I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to the cutting board. And once again, this was my inspiration. Please make sure to visit her channel. She is a great creator. I also want to take this moment to thank my subscribers and my viewers for their loyalty and constant support. Without you, I would not be here. To my future subscribers, I hope you join us soon so you could be part of every new video that I upload. And a special shout out to Loli and Kate for putting this playlist together, and to the guest host, thank you so much for participating this month. I'm trying to reach my 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month, and I am hoping that with your help I will be able to accomplish it. And as you can tell, I have already finished creating this pretty bow. Now of course I'm going to use more hot glue, and then I'm going to be adhering it right in the middle, and we are almost done. And in the middle of the bow, I'm going to be adding a mini pine comb. All these items on this video, I was so happy that I had every single one of them. I did not have to go to the store and purchase anything. So I was really happy about that, because of course we are doing DIYs on a budget, and that's what we want to do. We want to save money. And my dear friends, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.